Hello everyone, today I'll be making a game in less than 24 hours, so let's open up Unity and start the project. So first I had to think of an idea I wanted to make. I decided to go with the puzzle game where you have limited steps to get to the goal while having restarts as something you earn at the end of every level. Oh yeah, and I'm not allowed to go on the internet to look anything up. I made some tiles on which the player will move and a simple player model. The game will be playable both on PC and mobile, so I had to make mobile controls. I made a player script and I started by making my character move. I wanted the movement system to be like on a chessboard. I spent some time making a really simple grid system and it ended up looking like this. You can only move in 3 directions, up, left and right. You can't move backwards, so when you go to the edge, your player has to eliminate one movement. Also, when you're at the last row, your player can't move up. I adjusted the camera so it looked a little bit better. As you can see, the movement worked okay. I just had to make something to tell me when I'm on the edge tiles and when I'm in the middle tile, so my character doesn't fall off. Also, I had to rearrange the tiles so it looked correct. I added colliders to my tiles and some tags, so it's very customizable later for making more levels. When I started animating the player, the bugs really started. I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't work. I even put on a parent object to it, but it doesn't matter. I scrapped the animations, leaving them for the end of the video, if I had the time. For the UI, I used an asset, which I'll link down in the description below. I made some adjustments to it and it fit perfectly for my game. I accidentally didn't record any Blender footage or the skybox image making, so yes. This is what the game basically looked like after Blender and the skybox image. It was certainly better looking, but my only regret is not making the lighting better. The idea of level design is to have a certain amount of levels have a different sort of scenery or a biome. After that, I want to make a restart function. It works so every completed level you get one restart, and if you ran out of them, the game would be over. I implemented mobile controls and it was time to put some traps. I made a simple spike and saw models, which I implemented it, and I made a script for. Also, I put some animations into them. I made these particle effects, so you know where the end is and where you start. I decided it's time to make more levels, win scene and a game over scene. I made 4 levels, making them a little bit challenging. I made this share button and it's completely customizable outside of the script if you want to share your progress with your grandma or something. I have this UI sprite which I added, and in the script I made it so when I press forward I go forward, and I might even replay the level. Also the share to Facebook button. For the game over scene, I wanted to make so you lose all your progress and you can only go to main menu. I wanted my menu to look like this. I spent some time animating the menu and it's something I'm most proud of in this build. I finished it and the level select I couldn't finish in time. I made only the first level, but I wanted to make if you completed the level another UI would become active. I really wanted to play with this idea and make it work, but we'll have to leave it for another video, but who knows. But after making the level select, it was all done. I didn't have time to make the music, so yes, as you can see on the timer, it was only 16 hours spent making the game, because I was making it on my brother's PC, but it was really fun and I encourage everyone to try it really. It really makes you better at making games. And now to show you the finished product. Enjoy! Also, I installed it on a phone to try it. I had a little problem with it though. When installing Unity on my brother's PC, the dimensions were all wrong, but as you can see, the controls work and it will be a really easy bug to fix. Another bug I noticed was if you just replay the easiest level, you can get unlimited restarts, but also really fixable. So yeah, that was my journey. It would be fun making another video on this exact game, maybe improving it and adding more levels and mechanics. If you have any ideas on what I would put in it, please let me know. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.